3, AMMC, la que te regala más que las demás.
On June 25th, 2023, at 11:45 am, Itzel Sanchez was abducted from California. Itzel Sanchez is a 2-month-old Hispanic female with brown hair and eyes. Second victim, Sabrina Sanchez, is a 31-year-old white female, weighing 135 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. Sabrina Sanchez is believed to be wearing a red and black dress, pink shorts, and a black shirt. The suspect, Efrain Sanchez Jimenez, is a 25-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 8 inches, weighing 130 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Sanchez Jimenez is believed to be wearing a white tank top, silver shorts. The suspect considered armed and dangerous. Suspect was driving a 2007 silver Buick Lucerne, Colorado license plate number AYX94. If seen, call 911.